go. Number one, boys. It's a windy day today. Hopefully y'all can hear. We're just zinging a chatterbait around, a little tiny guy. Hopefully we can upgrade in size amongst the day. That's for sure. But throwing Z-Man jackhammer, trying to catch us some bass. So appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hopefully we can get on a big giant for y'all. So stay tuned. Guys, finally got another one. Chill. I'll help you, buddy. Number two. Chatterbait. Take him. A little better. Still tiny. Number three, boys. Another small one. Where are the bigs? Can't. Another one, guys. Tiny. Come on. Where the bigs at? This one's a little fat, though. At least he ate it. Like the other ones, he just kept swiping at it. Little porker. Dang, this guy's got some scars on him. He looks like he was picked up by a... Oh yeah. He's picked up by a blue heron or something. Or a big hawk. I don't know what it was. He survived it. Muskrat over there. There's a bigger one with this one. There was a bigger one with this one. What the? That one's a little better. During the tornado sirens got him fired up. Here we go, guys. That's the best one of the day so far. Pretty sad when it's about 15, not even 15 inches. Jeez, that's loud. I don't know if that'll go through the camera very well, but chatterbait, tornado sirens going off, fat belly, take it. But just to preface, tornado sirens aren't going off because there's a tornado. They test them every Friday at 11. So I just forgot about it, and it's really loud. Number 8, little guy. Where's your big mom, bro? She's gotta be in here somewhere. Tell her to come say hey. Little boys today. They're in here, boys. As I figured they should be. The wind blowing in on it. They're all tiny. Need them to be bigger. Come on. There we go. Number 11. Moving loose spots. Thought we'd find bigger ones, but we found the exact opposite of big. Got him. Numero 12. Take him. That's a good one. Better one, sheesh. Fat one. Take him all day, boys. Number 13. Chunky fat one. We'll take it. Number 13. That's another good one. These are better quality. We're upgrading, gang. We're upgrading a little bit. Just fat, built fish. And we're back to little. But we shall take it. 15. Number 16. Thank you. Little guy. Number 17. Thank you. There had to be one on this. Number 18.